Hi there, students. To claim, a claim. You could have a claimant as the person as well. Okay, let's see. As a verb, to claim, it's got lots of meanings. Firstly, to claim, to say that something's true, despite the fact that you can't prove it or that other people may well not believe it. He claims to have met Mick Jagger, but I don't believe him. There were elections yesterday and both parties claim victory. Okay, they say that this is true, that it's a fact that they've won, but they can't prove it and other people may not believe it. The company claims to have no responsibility for the accident. Okay, so to assert something is true, to say that it's true even though it might not be true, certainly it's not proven, and other people might not believe it. Okay, to claim, a different meaning. To ask for something because it belongs to you, or because you think you have the right to it. So you go to the airport and when your flight lands, you go to claim your luggage from the carousel. I took a wallet that I found to the police station and the police said if nobody had claimed it within 30 days, then it was mine and I could come back to get it. To say that something is yours, to claim it. You could have various types of claim and I'll go into those in a minute. Okay, a claim, a legal claim, to make a written demand for money from an organisation or from a government because you believe you have the right to it. So you, for example, you claim unemployment benefit, claims for unemployment benefit. Don't forget to claim back your expenses. Or you could have an insurance claim, where you're making a demand for money for something because you have the right to it. The machine the shop sold me didn't work, so I'm going to claim back my money. So a claim for damages, an official request for money after an accident, to claim or make an official request to the person who you believe is responsible for the accident or for the injuries. Okay, so a claim, a statement that something is true even though other people don't believe it. A claim, a written request asking for payment. Please submit your claim for travel insurance. Okay, so those are the ideas. To state that something's true, even though it's in doubt. To demand something of value because you think you have the right to claim your prize. Look, I won the lottery. I'm going to claim my prize. Notice as well, a storm or a crime or a violent event can claim lives. The earthquake claimed hundreds of lives. It's as though the storm or the event has the right to take those lives. So, a claim, an insurance claim, where you make a request, a written request for money which is owed to you. To claim, to make a statement that something is true. To claim a statement is true. To make a claim to a court, a legal claim, because you have a legal right to it. The claimant. You could claim an inheritance. So, to demand ownership of. To stake a claim. Miners stake a claim. They put out stakes and make a legal application to be able to use this land. The right to use the land. to be entitled to do something, to have a claim on this. He certainly has a claim on part of the prize because he put up some of the money. To cause the loss of life. Yeah, the fire claimed 2 houses. Okay, that's this idea of claim. He claims that he's the best runner in the class. To say something's a fact. To demand as a right, you must claim your money back if the goods are faulty. To state that you're the owner of something. Does anyone claim this book? Yeah, claim your lost property here. And those are the meanings of to claim. So it's a regular verb. He claimed that he was innocent. He claimed the first prize, and it's a regular verb. It's he has claimed that it's the prize. He has claimed his prize. Completely neutral formality. You can use this absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, there's a Middle English word clamen, which comes from Old French clamer, to call or to name, which comes from Latin clamo, clamare, to call, to cry out. Okay, so to claim, yes, I claim I'm the best English teacher in the world. Well, it's just a claim. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Claim.